Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do something a little bit different. I'm going to be testing out and reviewing the instant Slimygloop Kit. You can get this at Target, that's where I got it from. I'm sure you can get it from Walmart or any other stores that carry this sort of thing. It says no mixing, no measuring, and it brings everything that you need. It brings the solution, the activator, and one pack of the glitter, and it also brings the mixing cup and the stick. So you don't need anything else. All you need is this one kit. I believe I paid $5 for this at Target. So I'm gonna be testing this out today. This is what it looks like on the back. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. If you guys wanna see how this stuff works, then just keep watching. So let's just open this up. I'm not trying to be super careful with this. Okay, and that's it. So this is everything that it brings inside. Go ahead and open this bag. Alright, so it brings the instant Slimygloop solution. And it's kind of like glittery. I don't know if you could tell. It's kind of sparkly. It also brings the activator, a mixing stick, and it brings a cup, and this really pretty holographic glitter. This is so pretty, you guys. Look at that. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. It says all you have to do is add the Slimygloop activator to the empty cup. Add the instant Slimygloop solution to the cup, remove from the cup, and add the glitter. Alright guys, so the cup that this brings is kind of small, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my own bowl because I want to make like a bigger slime. So the first thing you want to do is add the activator. You want to add that in first. So we're gonna go ahead and pour this whole bottle. This is not the typical way that I make slime. I always add my glue and everything first, and then I add my activator, so this is going to be definitely something different for me to try. So now we're going to go ahead and add our solution. Oh, this is really thick. Yeah, I might just have to take this off because it's really thick. Oh, it's so pretty. Whoa. Oh, look how sparkly it is. This is so pretty. Okay, there's definitely a lot more in here. I just gotta squeeze it out. Let me know what you guys think about this video. If you want to see more of these, because I know there's a lot of different slime kits out there, and I think it'd be kind of fun to just like maybe once a week test out a different slime kit and kind of see how they work and see which ones are better. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Now let's just get all of this in there. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and mix this up. It says actually that to dump it in there and then to just pick it up, like take it out. Oh, this feels so weird. Oh my god. Oh, it feels so weird. Oh my gosh. I think you're just kind of supposed to like roll it around in here until it's not sticky anymore, and it's definitely still really sticky. So I'm just gonna mix it a little bit more in there. Okay. I don't think this is ready. This is so strange. Yeah, it's definitely still really like glue-like and sticky. So just kind of keep mixing it, I guess. Let's just dump it back in there a little bit. This is really messy. Okay. Oh, God, that's sticky. Alright guys, so I think it's definitely ready. It's nice and stretchy and soft. It's not sticky anymore. I'm actually pleasantly surprised. I didn't think it was going to come together at first because it was just really runny and just kind of falling apart. So now we're going to add this really pretty glitter. I'm like obsessed with this stuff. Like, look at that. It's so pretty. gosh, look at that. Let's add more. Oh my gosh. Like, look at how pretty this is. Oh my gosh. So sparkly. Well, there you have it, guys. I am pleasantly surprised. The slime came together. It's really sparkly and pretty, and honestly, at $5, it brings everything that you need. So I would give this one like a 10 out of 10. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, Sparkle and Slime. I make regular slime videos, and I will start doing some fun DIY videos as well. Also, leave your video suggestions in the comments below because I do check those. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.